2021 and we're in our home to show you how we displayed our Christmas gnomes this year. So I wanted to take you through and show you where everything is displayed at, maybe give you some ideas. So we started with putting the Dollar Tree sign that we made that says welcome in our foyer. This is the sign that we remade, jazzed it up a little bit, and our welcome sign. So that's how it turned out. It looks really good in the foyer. And then I wanted to take you over here and show you the table that we made for checks. This whole table I set up just for the checks gnome. He's real popular. Everyone seems to like him a lot. I got the idea to make him from my friend that said that I should make a buffalo check gnome this year. And I no sooner heard her say that I went to Hobby Lobby and saw the little checked boots there. And I picked them up and then designed the whole gnome around the boots. The little backdrop board is made from signs from the Dollar Tree that I glued together. There's 4 signs there that are glued together in the back with popsicle sticks to make the backboard for that. So that's really a cute little display that we have here in our living room. And then I wanted to take you over to the fireplace and show you four big gnomes that we made for Christmas this year. We made the Santa gnome from the North Pole. He's got the hat pants bottom. His legs are a hat that's made to look like Santa's pants. That's actually a hat that people wear to parties. And I thought it would make good pants for a gnome. So that's what he's made with. He's a good video to watch. S gnome, S Santa, S Claus from the North Pole. Boy, did that take me 3 times to get that one right. So we want to go on to Rudy. He's the reindeer that we made. And he's like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, only he's from Gnomesville, so we named him Rudy. And he turned out really nice. He's really plush and fun to hold. This is the Abominable Snowman from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and we nicknamed him Abel. And I made him, I had the idea to make him, and I made him up, and my husband said he's got to have eyes. You got to put eyes on him. So I did put some eyes on him, and I said I don't normally put eyes on the gnome. I got to figure out what I'm going to do about that, and I decided to put a little veil of hair coming over the eyes so you could barely see the eyes to make him be more of a gnome character. So that's how Abel turned out. And then we made Sprite, and I didn't put Sprite on video. He's a great big elf gnome, but I didn't put him on video because he wasn't really in keeping with the length of the normal videos that I make. He would be a lot longer of a video, so I decided not to make him for my channel. He's just a personal elf that I have here in my living room. And then over here on the ladder shelf, we have Santa and Mrs. Claus, easy peasies. And we have the skier, easy peasies. And a little snowman, easy peasy. And the Christmas caroler, easy peasies. These are mostly done with Dollar Tree items. As I'm looking over them and talking to you, I can't see too much that's not Dollar Tree. It's mostly Dollar Tree pieces that we use to make them. And you can go and find their videos and be able to make these up. Really cute, easy peasies for this year. So the next thing I wanted to show you was the Grinch. I have him over here on the coffee table. He's a good coffee table piece to have because you can see all of his details really well. It's a good conversation piece. He turned out really nice. He lights up. and you can see his video on there. And he's a very popular gnome. Everybody really likes him, and we enjoy having him here in our living room. And then I wanted to take you out to the dining room where you'll see a lot of the red trucks. I really like the red trucks, so I have a little collection of red trucks. My dishes are all of the red trucks and the checks. And I use the glass plates on top of the melamine plates to give it a little more sparkle, a little bit, dress it up a little bit. And then in the middle of the table, I have the the snowman Easy Peasy. These are double Easy Peasies snowmen that I've got on here with the candles by them, the scatter foam pieces in the evergreen. And then over here, I've got some pieces from Dollar Tree, these little ornaments that sparkle in the center of the table with all the little snowmen going down like that. So the table turned out really cute. And then I'll take you over here to my coffee bar. And I've got the jumbo door hanger hanging behind my coffee bar because a friend of mine made me a really nice wreath for my front door. So I'm using my front door hanger here behind my coffee bar, and he looks really good there. You'll find him on video. And here we have little Easy Peasy scattered throughout the coffee bar. This is a little one on a sled, snowman on a sled. And then I've got Santa and Mrs. Claus again on the top of the 3-tier tray. And I wanted to mention to you that you can buy these suckers at Dollar Tree and unwrap them and use them on your coffee bar. They're really adorable decorations to use on your coffee bar. And then I have another slider down here and some Dollar Tree cups on my cup holder. And this is actually a gift box that I got at TJ Maxx, I believe. It's a gift box, and I just use it as a sign up here on top of my coffee cups. So that's a good idea to do. And then this is Jingles, the elf on the shelf that I designed last year. There's a video how to make him. He's an Easy Peasy. How to make him on YouTube. You can find Jingles, the elf on the shelf video to make him. He's very easy, and all these things come from Dollar Tree. So that's what I wanted to show you, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year, and thank you for coming and spending this time with us.